This video was digitized from reel of silent 8mm film, and as you can see, it's of the U.S. Navy's Blue Angels, and walking out here to their aircraft. And those are Grumman F11F-1 Tiger jets, and they shifted over to the F11 in 1957 and started off with the short nose version, and then moved on to the longer nose version. These look like the long nose version to me. And so this was probably shot in late 50s, early 60s. There was no date or markings on the film. And because there was no markings, I can't tell who the pilots are that are flying these aircraft. But just a really neat look at them here in sometime in the late 50s, early 60s. And also looks like there may be some Convair F-102s and a Lockheed F-94 in here. But yeah, I'd love to hear your comments. I'm not that proficient on the aircraft from this era, but yeah, just a nice look at them doing some maneuvers. You'll see right here they're back on the tarmac again. I think that's an F-94. And yeah, hope you enjoy this this look at the U.S. Navy Blue Angels in late 50s, early 60s, flying their F11F-1 Tiger jets. I hope you enjoyed this bit of history. Try to upload military and patriotic videos to my site here, about every other day. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.